Welcome to this Yoga Nidra session. I'm Jacob, and today I'll be guiding you through a transformative body scan designed to soothe your nervous system and invite deep relaxation. As we embark on this journey together, let's turn our attention inward, disconnecting from the external world to embrace a serene exploration of our inner landscapes. Settled into a comfortable position, let's begin with a deep inhale through the nose. Exhale slowly through the mouth, as if gently fogging a mirror. Take another deep breath, filling your lungs, then release it, feeling your body sink deeper into relaxation. Let's breathe in once more, and as you exhale, let go of all remaining tension. Your breath now flows naturally, effortlessly. With each inhale and exhale, become more aware of your body. Notice the touch points with the floor, the subtle sounds around you. The play of tastes in your mouth. How you feel. And the sensations within. Embrace the vast, expansive space that envelops you when you close your eyes. From this space of heightened awareness, draw forth your sankalpa, or an intention that resonates deeply with you at this moment. Breathe life into your sankalpa with every inhale and exhale, allowing it to crystallize and resonate with your entire being. Silently repeat it to yourself 3 times. Now let's focus our awareness on different parts of the body, consciously directing your attention following my voice. Allow yourself to sense all the different areas of your body, beginning with your mind's eye, feeling the sensations in your mind's eye for just a moment. And moving your attention to the base of your throat, sensing the base of your throat. Your body remains still, simply allowing your attention to flow naturally through the body, following my voice. Moving to your right shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, back to the base of the throat, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, fourth finger. Once again back to the pit of the throat, your heart center, navel, pubic bone, right hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, back to the pubic bone, left hip, knee, ankle, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Once again back to the pubic bone, navel, heart center, base of the throat, mind's eye center. Redirect your focus to the breath, visualizing a nourishing flow through your nostrils, alternating left and right, stimulating the crown chakra. Continue like this for a few moments. In through the left nostril, out through the right nostril. In through the right nostril, out through the left nostril. Now imagine breathing in through your right foot, up through your leg to the root chakra, and exhaling down the left leg. Then inhaling in the left foot, through your root chakra, down the right leg and out the right foot, back and forth. Continue this pattern, enhancing the energetic flow within. Finally, begin breathing in through your right hand, up your right arm, through your heart chakra, down your left arm and out your left hand, and then back the other way. Back and forth, nourishing your heart chakra. Reconnect now with the present moment, recognizing the open lines of communication throughout your body. Rest in this state of pure awareness, feeling every cell align with the universe's frequency. Connected and whole. As you remain here in this unified field of energy, reaffirm your sankalpa or intention. Allowing it to embed deeply into your subconscious, strengthening its presence in your life. Gently bring your attention back to your breath, allowing each inhale to revitalize your body. Feel your connection with the earth. Awaken your senses gradually. And introduce gentle movements as they feel natural. You might like to place one hand over your heart, expressing gratitude for this practice. And recognize your needs, whether to rise or remain resting, and honor them. Thank you for joining me in this Yoga Nidra session. Subscribe to my channel to practice with me again, as I release frequent new content. Also explore my website, jacobmark.com, and follow It's Jacob Mark on social media. Have a peaceful day, and I look forward to our next session together.